Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's December the 2nd, 2021. Zomedica. I'm going to talk about this market right now in Zomedica. I know so many people on YouTube in the beginning of this year was pumping up this stock. I mean, they were telling you that we was going to see the market in Zomedica hit $5, hit $10. And here we are today, trading at 37 cents, right? I got you. I'm going to show you what my expectations are in the market for Zomedica, because if there's no opportunities here, then we don't need to dwell here in the market. We need to find some other opportunity in some other stocks, right? So I'm going to speak on that today. I'm going to talk about my last price prediction. You guys can see it. I'm being fully transparent. I give you all the good calls as well as the bad calls, because at times you're not going to get every last one of your price predictions correct. But the thing that we can do is we can learn from it so that we can understand how to get better at predicting prices. So before I break all of this down, make sure you hit that like button, share the video, subscribe to the channel, because this is what I do. I don't care about anything else. I don't care about what people have to say about the stock. I don't care about the company's earnings reports. I don't care about using technical indicators. I don't even care about fundamental analysis. I care about what people do with the money that they have. Are they buying or are they selling? And the price chart tells us every day, whenever the market opens for these stocks, it tells us what the majority of the transactions are. So if you're understanding, if you learn how to follow what the overall environment is in these markets, you can become more profitable the simplistic way. So join me in my journey. I'm showing you all on a day-to-day basis how to do this for yourself. So let's check this out. Look at this. I did a video for Zomedica on November the 9th, right? And I was seeing the strength into the market in Zomedica. So let's break this play down real quick. Let me break it down to you, okay? To show you why I was looking for the price in Zomedica to go up. Let me show you why first. The first thing is because we've noticed price in Zomedica hold this trend, right? I was telling you then, I was telling you back there on November the 9th, I said, hey, as long as price holds this 50-cent price level, I'm looking for the market to go up, right? Because look at this. This area of all of these trading days, I've seen the price in Zomedica trade above 50 cents, lets us know that that is where the market was being supported. This is where the buyers were at. The moment that price would have broken 50 cents to the downside, you already would have known I need to cut the play, because the market is still weak. It is still resembling more selling going on in the market. The day that that happened occurred on the 16th, right? So I did a price prediction on the 9th. And price continued to go down seemingly every day. There was only one up day, which occurred on November the 12th. Since that time, price has been going down. So what does it mean? It means that nobody's buying the market. That's pretty much it. There's no demand, no interest into the market in Zomedica. Could it be because nobody's trying to pump up the stock like they were in the beginning of the year? Because so many YouTubers were just pumping up this stock massively, getting a lot of you all involved into the market, thinking that the price is going to go exceedingly higher than where we are today. And here we are, less than a year, and price is now trading under $1. Look at that. Take a look at where we were in the beginning of the year, right? Look at this. The high into the market in Zomedica occurred on February the 8th. Here we are on December the 2nd, and price fell 87%. Now, you could probably go back and look at some YouTube videos back in February of many people pumping up the stock, of many people telling you all to buy the dip. This is one of the worst advice that people can tell you all. You never buy the dip, because you don't know when the dip is going to stop. This is a prime example. Look at all these dips that occur into the market in Zomedica. Look, the market dipped here, right? February 23rd. The market dipped again, beginning of March. Price continues to dip throughout the rest of the year. Price continue to go down. Watch out with what these people tell you all. They don't have your best interests at heart. This market has never been a buy. Look at this. Here we are trading well below 50 cents. We have 37 cents. So now the question is there a play? Because if there's no play here, we just need to find another opportunity and just let the market continue to drop, because we will know. The market will tell us when the buyers show up. And until the buyers show up, we don't need to play the market unless you short it. But even now, we're at 37 cents. The lowest the price can ever go is 0. So why would you even try to risk shorting the market when you're already so low towards it? The time to short the market was back here in the beginning of the year when prices traded around $2, $3. So yeah, I didn't get my last price prediction right, but I would have already known to minimize my losses right there around 50 cents, because that was the only reason. That's one of the prime reasons why I was playing the strength, is because the market was being supported there. The moment we broke that, that would have been 14% loss, but I would rather take that 14% loss rather than have 35 if you were to get out yesterday on the last trade, right? So would you rather have 35% on the hope and wish that price was going to go up, or would you just simply say, yeah, I didn't get the call right, the market is still showing me the weakness, I cannot deny it, price broke 50 cents to the downside, I need to cut the position, and you would only lost 14% or 15 right there. So let me get rid of that. And I'm telling you right now, there's no opportunity here into the market in Zomedica, not right now. So let me zoom out, right? So now, where can we see support? I mean, anywhere could be support now. We've seen this market in Zomedica since like 2019 trade below 50 cents, right? 50 cents. And looking at this from a monthly perspective, this month right here, how we ended the month of November, lets me know that we can still see price ultimately come back down to 30 cents, right? I would say 30 cents to 20. I'm gonna grab 30 cents and 25 cents, right? So let's see what that is. We got 30 cents and then 25. So I said 30 cents. That's about another 20% movement to the downside for us to hit 30 cents. For us to get 25, that's about 33 and a quarter, right? Now, since we broke that 50 cent price level, that will have to be restriction off the top. And we won't become bullish into the market in Zomedica until we see price hit that 50 cent price level, right? But I'm not touching the market. I'm not even going to do a price prediction anymore in Zomedica. The play is dead. I don't see any opportunities here as of right now into the market in Zomedica. Until we see a change occur in price, we just had to find other opportunities into the market, right? At some point, you just got to move on and find another play. While many people want you to hold these stocks for the next 5 to 15 to 20 years, think about it. If you bought Zomedica here in March, February timeframe, the price would have to increase from where price is now. The market would have to increase from whoever bought at the highs in the beginning of the year. The market would have to increase 658% just for you to break even. Just for you to break even. Think about that. All of the YouTubers who was telling you all to buy the market in Zomedica during this time frame right here, you have until you got to let the price increases in Zomedica at least. Let me take it down here. 422% at least, right? So I know many of you are holding the bag right now because of that reason alone. And for a price to go what, 422%, 420? Yeah, it's going to take about 5, 10, 15 years. Who knows if the market would ever go up there again. Just saying. All right, so I'm not going to put a price prediction here into the market of Zomedica. I will continue to watch it and see whenever the buyers come through, because if so, then we need to step back in and buy the market and ride it up to higher prices. But right now, I don't see it. I still see the weakness coming in from a monthly perspective, seeing price go down to 30 cents, then 25 cents. And then from there, maybe we might see buyers come through. Who knows? But we'll come back in eventually, see what's going on with the market in Zomedica. But as of right now, I ain't touching it. Now, you can. It's your prerogative. You could go in and do you, right? You could go in and go in and purchase till you ain't got no more money, right? You can. But just understand, the market is weak. All right? So now, tell me your thoughts about Zomedica. I mean, are you still holding the bag? I know, right? So many people don't want to part ways whenever they see a prediction go against them. They want to continue to hold, and then you transition over to hoping and wishing that one day the market will go back up. You have to believe the chart, period. And when it goes against your original ideas, you just need to cut and say, I didn't get that one right. Let me move on to another one. You cannot play the hope and wishing game in stocks. You can't. And everyone who tells you into the market to tell you to hodl or tell you to hold on for the next 5 to 10 years because it gives them a greater margin of error. Think about the people who pumped you all into buying Zomedica in the beginning of the year. They're going back and say, well, I told you I'm a long-term investor. I'm in this for the 2-3 years. Well, it's going to take about that time just to break even now, because the market has to go 400% just for you to get even. The game is played differently. You got to understand that. All right, so I'm done. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.